Hello, friends, and welcome. Today's lecture is about a very trending and popular niche, which is the YouTube channel called Waterhead. So, first of all, I will show you exactly how many videos they have uploaded so far and also the results and achievements they have managed to reach with their content. They've uploaded about 18 videos and gained roughly 46,000 subscribers. That's 46,000 subscribers. And their views are in the millions and their earnings are also quite high. Right, as you can see, these are the kinds of videos that are being made on this channel. Yeah. Now, I am going to show you exactly how to create these types of videos and explain how you can move forward with them. First of all, I'll tell you what to do. You need to go to this channel first, and after going to the channel, you must first copy this link. After copying, you need to go to ChatGPT. Once on ChatGPT, what you do is simply paste the link and write this instruction along with it. Please analyze this channel and give me 10 more trending topics. Okay? It will analyze this channel. Along with that, what you need to do is take a screenshot of this channel from here. Alright, take a screenshot like this so that the related video is included along with its titles, and after that just simply upload it right here and then give this instruction to ChatGPT. Okay, after that it will provide you with viral topics. It will give us 10 viral topics related to it, and you should select one of those topics. Suppose we choose this topic for discussion. What happens if you drink only seawater? So what you do is scroll down, paste it here, and along with the topic, ask for a 600 word script. Since we're working on short videos, we only need a 600 word script, and it will provide you with hooks and everything in the script. What you need to do is simply ask it for the script in paragraph form. Just say, please give me the script in paragraph form, right? It will give you the script that you need. You should use this script for voice generation, which means you will use it for the narration. Make sure to follow the script exactly as it is provided, because this is what you will use to create the narration audio. Or if you want, you could simply say that you'll be using it for a voiceover. Just copy the script from here, and after you finish copying, there's a tool called SpeechMa. SpeechMa is a free online text-to-video tool, meaning we'll use it for voiceovers. All the tools I'll mention here will be free tools. You need to paste the script right here. Once you've pasted it, you'll enter the code in this spot. But before you do that, the first step is to pick one of these voices. I've chosen Andrew's voice, which is a US multilingual option. After selecting it, I'll click Generate and it will make the voiceover for us. We've already made one. Let me show you. It's free, so generate as many voices as you like. You need to send this instruction to it, asking for 6 image prompts. We'll generate the images first, and then we'll animate those images to create our visuals. Okay? Once you give this instruction, it will also provide the hooks, like the question, what happens if you drink seawater, are placed here. This is exactly where the script itself goes. All of the visuals that we generate will be placed right here as well. Then there is another script placement, and that goes in this particular spot. Alright, so this is what we're going to bring into CapCut. The first thing you need to do is take this first part and copy it. Once you've copied it, you'll head over to Grok. In Grok, you're going to click on Imagine, click right there, and after you do that, you'll want to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for shorts. Next, go ahead and select the image option from the menu. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply paste your prompt right here in the box and then just hit the Generate button. Take your time with each step and make sure everything looks good before you move on. Once you click generate, the skeleton images we asked for will appear on your screen. You can simply pick whichever one looks best to you. For example, I personally think this one right here looks really great, so I'm going to go ahead and choose it. Then just click right here to start the download process. It will be saved directly to your device. Now, Let's move on to the second prompt. For the second prompt, we need to make sure we maintain consistency throughout the process. Keeping things consistent is absolutely key. So first, we'll copy the prompt for the second image directly from here. After copying, you'll go ahead and proceed to the next step, making sure that everything remains aligned and consistent with what we've done previously. Take your time with this part, as maintaining that consistency is really important for the overall outcome. Paste it. Once you click, the second image will start generating. Now I'll show you how we're going to animate this. Let me explain the animation process. There are two ways to do this. One is to generate the image first. Once it's ready, right where the image appears, you can actually animate it directly from that spot. But if you don't want to animate it from here, you can just download it from here, okay? It'll start downloading. Your image is being generated and all your images will be generated, okay? Once your images are generated, go ahead and generate each one individually, making sure you do not miss any. After that, download all of them to your device. Then moving forward, you will need to go to this section, and when you arrive, simply click right here to continue. After clicking on the button, you should just select animate image, okay? Then take the image you have here and upload it. Once it's uploaded, you'll take the first image prompt that you had, that same image prompt, you'll need to just paste it right here exactly as it is. You're going to paste it into this field, making sure everything is included. After you've pasted it, just click on it and then the video will start being created. So that's one method. I've already shown you the second method and how to go about it. This way you'll process all the images one by one and animate them, download them, and then simply head over to CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, you'll need to click here and combine all of those clips together. Alright, so your image has now officially been animated. If you keep going like this, then all of these different elements will be completed, and then you'll combine them in CapCut. After combining, just add the voiceover underneath. Once that's done, your video will be ready. It's just these few steps, 3 or 4 methods. I mean, this is how we can create these videos, and then you can upload them. Okay, you just need to make sure you keep the timing in mind and who your target audience is. You should do everything while keeping your target audience in mind, okay? That was our lesson for today, which is now complete. If you have any more queries or questions, you can ask us in the comments or reach out to us on Instagram. We'll definitely get back to you. Okay, bye.